We are just a few days away from Google's official August launch event, where we will see a list of products and wearables from Google. The launch event is 2 months earlier than last year, which may be due to the effect of Apple's launch event. While that is a topic for another day, today we are going to talk about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 9 Pro. Yes, you've heard it right. There are 2 Pro models coming this year from Google. So, hello guys, my name is Ayush and you are watching Doting Tech. Subscribe to our channel for the latest tech updates and review videos. Let's dive into the video now. The design will be the Pixel 9 Pro's most differentiating factor, as it is said to adopt a more blocky look with flat sides and back, following in the footsteps of its competitors. The same can be said for the unexpected new addition to the typical Pixel series line, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. For context, you can consider this a situation similar to that between the iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Plus. For example, the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro XL are expected to be almost identical in everything but size. But given that size also means extra real estate, we're hoping to see upgrades to things like battery capacity for the XL model too. That said, a key thing to keep in mind is that the Pixel 9 Pro XL isn't a sized-up model added to the typical Pixel family lineup. Instead, the XL is expected to be factually equivalent to the Pixel 8 Pro's measurements, while the Pixel 9 Pro will retain the same size as the Pixel 9, and therefore the Pixel 8 itself. Google is also rumored to have finally upgraded the fingerprint sensor with the Pixel 9 series, replacing the old optical one with an ultrasonic sensor that is much faster and more accurate. Reports about the Pixel 9 Pro and its performance indicate only small improvements in terms of power, with the Tensor G4 chipset on board. Thankfully, the new chip should at least help with those pesky connectivity issues thanks to a new modem inside. Google is also said to have increased the RAM to 16 GB, supposedly to make the phone powerful enough for some of the new AI features planned to come with this new generation. And speaking of new AI features coming with the Pixel 9 series, there have been leaks hinting at 3 new very cool features. One of them allows you to put people inside a photo that weren't there when it was being taken. Another one improves image generation. The Pixel 9 Pros will also be able to sift through your screenshots to gain context and understanding. But one of the biggest pieces of news for this year's high-end flagship phones from Google is that we will be getting more Pixel 9 Pro models. There will be a Pixel 9 Pro, but also a Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will be Google's largest flagship phone when the company releases its latest lineup on August 13, 2024. It will be the direct successor to last year's Pixel 8 Pro, at least in terms of where it stands in the lineup size-wise. The only difference there will be between the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, from what we know so far, is the size and everything it affects. In other words, we expect the Pixel 9 Pro to have a smaller battery and display. In a way, the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are like Apple's iPhone and iPhone Plus. 2 sizes at 2 different prices. One of the most important things for consumers is price. This year, it is rumored that the Pixel phones lineup will get a price hike of $100 in each model. The good news is that Pixel phones tend to get some great discounts throughout the year, so expect lower prices for the Pixel 9 Pro after its launch. There might even be some good Pixel 9 Pro pre-order deals. Not much is known about the Pixel 9 Pro's cameras at the moment. The only interesting leak we have had so far says that Google might place a variable aperture on the main, wide camera, which is a feature that's extremely niche in modern flagship smartphones, especially those manufactured by Western companies such as Google. If this rumor about a variable aperture does end up being true, however, it would not only be a big surprise for us and the phone industry, but also one that can aid users in controlling light. The aperture is one of the 3D ways to control how much light a camera takes in, alongside the shutter speed and ISO, the camera settings holy trinity, if you will. If we don't see any leaks indicating new camera hardware though, we will most likely see the same 50MP main, 48MP ultrawide, and 48MP 5x telephoto camera at the back, embedded in the redesigned visor. And of course, the same 10.5MP front camera embedded in the display, which debuted with the Pixel 7 Pro. But even with no new camera hardware, the new Tensor G4 that will power the Pixel 9 Pro might bring image quality improvements. Google is well known for its camera software magic and has proven many times that adding new physical parts is not always necessary to improve the end result. So there's plenty of room for improvement from a software standpoint. Not to mention that, since we are talking about a Pixel here, we will probably see upgrades related to some of the camera-related AI features such as Best Take, Audio Magic Eraser, Zoom Enhance, Video Boost, and more. We could even see some new magical camera features. There hasn't been any word about any storage upgrades coming with the Pixel 9 Pro. What will probably be different this time around, however, is that the 1 TB storage option may be available only with the pricier Pixel 9 Pro XL. The regular, smaller, Pixel 9 Pro will likely get 128GB, 512GB storage options. Google can include newer, more capable storage, jumping from UFS 3.1 to UFS 4.0. This means the phone would work faster while consuming less battery life in the meantime. The memory Google uses for its high-end phone lineup is already very fast and top-notch, so no upgrades are expected there. That being said, it won't be a major leap in terms of power and most likely won't rival the likes of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that other Android phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with. Thankfully, even if it is not that much more powerful, the Tensor G4 should fare significantly better in terms of connectivity thanks to the new Samsung modem 5400. The predecessor was infamous for bad reception, which is what this new modem is meant to improve. This phone is rumored to have greater charging speeds than its predecessors and will come with magnets in the back for better wireless charging. The phone will come with Android 15 out of the box and will have all the hosts of AI features that we can see in Samsung S24, like Circle to Search, and many more. These companies are really stepping up the AI game with new and better AI features every year. As for software support, you can expect the same 7 years that Google started to guarantee with last year's Pixel 8 lineup. So, should you wait for the new Pixel 9 series or buy Samsung S24 instead? Well, I think if you really care about performance, then this phone is not for you. What if you really care about a better Android experience and performance is not your priority? Then you should wait certainly. Well, this is Ayush signing off, and thanks for watching this video, and like and subscribe for future updates. Subscribe.